If you're considering Roll Call Church software for your church management needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. We'll compare it to other options to help you figure out if it's the right fit for your congregation. Let's dive into it. First, Roll Call's core feature is its membership management. You can track attendees, manage member profiles, and organize church events. It's a solid option, especially when compared to some competitors like Breeze Church Management or Planning Center, which also focus on managing memberships but offer more flexibility and integration. Next thing to consider is how Roll Call handles event scheduling. It allows for easy event creation and registration, but it lacks the advanced features that Planning Center offers, like automated reminders and custom event workflows. If your church organizes complex events, that could be a limitation. The third thing you'll want to know is its financial tools. Roll Call comes with basic donation tracking, but compared to other software like Tithe.ly or PushPay, which offer integrated giving platforms and mobile apps, Roll Call falls short when it comes to engaging donors and facilitating seamless online giving. Moving on, Roll Call's communication tools are fairly basic. You can send group emails, but it doesn't have the more advanced SMS and push notification features that some competitors, like ChurchTrack, offer. This could be an issue if your church relies heavily on real-time communication with your congregation. The fifth thing to note is the user interface. While Roll Call is relatively easy to navigate, it's not as visually polished or user-friendly as alternatives like ChurchSuite or Breeze. Those platforms have more intuitive dashboards and mobile apps, which makes managing your church easier on the go. Now the sixth thing is its mobile access. Roll Call has a mobile app, but it's not as robust as what you'll find with other platforms like Planning Center or ACS Technologies. These competitors have apps that are much more integrated into the software and provide a better user experience. Seventh, Roll Call offers integrations with some popular platforms, but it's a bit limited. While other software like Church Community Builder or ACS have wider third-party app integrations, Roll Call doesn't connect to quite as many tools, so it may not be the best choice if you need those connections. Eighth, Roll Call supports volunteer management, but its tools are very basic. If your church needs more advanced volunteer scheduling and tracking, you may find competitors like Church Teams or Rock RMS to be a better fit. They offer more specialized features for volunteer coordination. The ninth thing to know is the customer support. Roll Call offers decent support, but the response time isn't always as fast as what you'll get from other platforms like Breeze or Planning Center, where customer service is often praised for being quick and responsive. Moving on to the 10th thing, Roll Call offers some reporting capabilities. However, compared to ChurchTrack, which has more detailed and customizable reports, Roll Call's reports can feel a bit basic, especially if you need in-depth data analysis. The 11th thing you'll want to keep in mind is pricing. Roll Call is competitively priced, but when you look at it against options like Tithe.ly or Planning Center, you'll see those platforms offer a lot more for a slightly higher price. If you're looking for a budget option, Roll Call is solid, but if you need more features, the extra investment might be worth it. And finally, Roll Call's scalability can be a concern if you're looking for something that will grow with your church over time. Larger churches may outgrow Roll Call's capabilities, and you might want to consider other platforms that can scale more easily, like ACS Technologies or Church Community Builder. So, is Roll Call Church software a good option? It's a solid choice for churches that need basic membership, event management, and communication tools without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for something more robust with more features, integrations, and scalability, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it fits your needs better.